Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. So I started out by wanting to build a little miniature lemonade stand. And then I got to thinking, like, at least at where I live, most of the lemonade stands are at yard sales. So then it turned into a little yard sale / lemonade stand. I started with this little crate I got from the Dollar Tree a while ago. I took 2 jumbo popsicle sticks and cut the ends off, and then glued them on the side toward the front. Then I had this scrap piece of wood that actually came from the Dollar Tree, and I cut it down and sanded it. Before I glued it on, I wrote out the word lemonade and colored it in, and then took a black pen and outlined it. Then I took a yellow marker and drew little lemon shapes on the paper. And then I took a black pen and outlined them. Then I cut them out, and then I just used a little bit of hot glue to attach them to the lemonade stand. Then it was time to make a bunch of little lemons. I had this air dry clay. It was pretty rock hard. I took little sections at a time. I just made little balls, and then I would kind of pull at the ends to kind of make it look like a lemon. For the lemon slices, I took some rolled out yellow. I laid some rolled out white on top of it. And then I mixed some yellow and white together and rolled it into like a little tube and laid it on top, and then folded it over to create a circular tube. And then I just cut slices. For the little tables for the yard sale, I had these wood planks from the Dollar Tree. The tabletops, I just used these wooden planks from the Dollar Tree. And then for the legs, I had these wooden dowel rods and I just cut them down to the size I wanted. And then I glued them to the tabletop. I wanted to make some little cups for the lemonade stand. I took this yellow and white scrapbook paper, turned it over, and drew out this little kind of wedge shape on the paper. I cut it out and then I wrapped it around a marker to get the paper to curve. Then I hot glued the edges together. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.